Good evening. My name is Kelly Hendricks, and I am currently English teacher at Russell High School in Russell, Kansas. I'm teaching freshman English and 2 sections of junior English, and I am very much enjoying what I am doing. I am a mother of 4. My oldest son, Bryce, is at K-State University. Then I have a son, Cameron, who is a junior at Russell High School. I have a daughter, Tegan, who is an 8th grader at Rupenthal Middle School. And I have a son, Jacob, who is in 2nd grade at Bickerdike Elementary. And they keep me busy. Besides them, I have 2 fur babies, Sam and Milo, my 2 little dogs. I like to take them for walks every day, get my exercise, and treat them to that. I have been married for 21 years. My husband is also a teacher at Russell High School. He teaches social studies. My favorite color is purple, and I can't go a day without a Dr. Pepper. So the last 10 years I've been in daycare. I had an in-home daycare in several different towns. It allowed me to stay home with my children while they were little and growing. Now that they're older, I've chosen to get back into teaching, which is what I started my college career to do. As I mentioned, I am teaching English Language Arts at Russell High School. My short-term goals are to complete my T2T program and get my master's degree while I am working on that. My long-term goals are kind of uncertain. I want to continue teaching for sure, but another thing I'm also interested in is school counseling. So that may be somewhere down the road. But for now, I just want to learn to be the best teacher that I can be, and I want to show my kids how much I care about them. I want to make sure that I am teaching them everything that they need to be taught. I want to prepare them for their future, for their college, for their careers, and that's the biggest, most important thing to me. That's why I got into teaching, was to help the students. And from this class, I'm hoping to learn how to choose the best curriculum for my students, how to keep my classroom going in a forward direction and not in a backward direction, how to keep up-to-date information in my classroom, make sure it's not outdated, and how to make sure that the curriculum is engaging. The current curriculum we have, I don't have anything to compare it to, but it is an online curriculum. But the kids don't like it, and I would really like to find something next time we have the opportunity to find something that maybe they would enjoy more, and I would like to learn how to do that. And also, it's just an important thing to know how to do, because you never know when you'll be called to be on a committee to help choose the next curriculum for something in school. So it's good to know. And that's all I have for you. Thank you, and have a good evening.